Assalamu alaikum everyone. So guys, today we are going to discuss the very important topic named celiac disease. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, go subscribe and like my channel. So let's start the topic now. Celiac disease. 1 in every 100 North American are suffering from this disease. Immune system mediated disorder with gluten in food triggers the body immune system to attack cell in small intestine. The system can destroy small finger-like projections in the small intestine known as villi. Symptoms in the children include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, slow growth, late puberty, poorly calcified teeth, chronic anemia, IBD, poor weight gain, poor growth. We are going to discuss about the symptoms in adults. It includes headache, depression, anxiety, tiredness, bone and joints pain, bloating, nausea, fatigue, and very itchy skin rash with blisters known as dermatitis herpetiformis. And here is the diagnostic criteria for celiac disease. We will do blood test, TTGA, EMA, and biopsy can also be done. Treatment include gluten-free diet,